Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is day 8. Now, I know we're still at $0, but we're really close to getting our first couple projects done. But in the meantime, we are working on some other ones. And I know seems a little slow, but that's just because I only can do 2 hours a day with schoolwork and stuff like that. I dedicate 2 hours a day to this woodworking business. But because that's what I know is manageable. If I was out of school, dedicate 8 hours a day, you could probably do more than $1,000 a month easily. You could probably, do 4,000 a month if you wanted. But anyways, just wanted to make that clear. But today, still one last coat of paint on the legs, but then we're making this into a bench, and hopefully also maybe do something with this, figure something out, or do a different project. But that's the plan for today, plus do epoxy coat. But here we go. Hey everyone, so that's the end of day 8. We got done the epoxy. We sanded this guy. This guy's ready for epoxy. I think I did my last coat on the one piece, the 2 pieces there. So this will be the next thing right on the list to do. Is epoxy for that. Also, we're starting to build the legs for it. The paint, for some reason, there were some spots where it wasn't quite dry. So I left that for now. I didn't do that today, but tomorrow we'll conquer that. But thanks for joining the journey. Please subscribe.